Right, okay, so I have received my Dollar Shave Club package. I've taken off the things. What I've noticed is it's come all the way from Germany. So that's a German postage, so that's quite a carbon footprint that's being left on that one. But what really got me and annoyed me was the fact that it's bigger than the letterbox, so it will not go through. Which means I had to go collect it. So it's not exactly very convenient now, is it? Here is the Dollar Shave Club box that's arrived. As you can see, it's come from Germany, so it's travelled quite a way. It's quite thick, didn't fit through the letterbox. So let's open it up. In here we have a little card welcoming you to the club, and a little Dollar Shave Club card at any pub in the UK. Not really, please don't drink and shave. Okay, so it's a bit of a joke. You comes with a little paper leaflet for reading. They call it your bathroom reader, issue number 1. So you obviously send these out. Funny little tips, facts, whatever you want to call it. And Cornerstone seem to do something similar. Paper packaging, so that's good. It's easy to recycle. Nice handle. It's basically a Dorco handle. Okay, I am actually quite surprised it's come with a full set of cartridges. I was expecting just the one blade, considering it was the £5 offer. So the fact that it's come with a full set of cartridges, I'm quite surprised and pleasantly surprised. They've done well on that one. And so, have a look, and we have a shave butter in there as well. So for the promotional offer of £5, that's actually really good. It appears there's also an app for that. So, okay, I guess I will have to do a little bit of a test a little later on, but well done, Dollar Shave Club. You have exceeded my expectations. You sent a whole packet on this £5 promotional start, whereas I thought you would send just the one blade. So let's see how it gets on. Right, okay, what you've just seen on the video screen is I realised that this is a Dorco product, the 6-bladed razor with reverse trimmer. Now, this is a very good pack to start with because you get it for £5 and you get the shave butter and the razor blade and the 4 cartridges, so I think it is very good value. But afterwards, they want £8 just for this little packet here, so that's roughly £2 per blade. But as you can see, you can get the same blades off the high street from which is Dorco's blades, and you can get them from Sainsbury's for £6 for a packet of 4, so that's £1.50 a blade, or you can get them from Aldi for a packet of 3 for £2.99, so that's roughly £1 a blade, so it's half the price of what Dollar Shave Club are actually asking for. So we'll go do this shave review on this product. I'm pretty sure it will be pretty good because I liked it previously, but we will see how it gets on. And yeah, so that's a little update on actual costings for the initial box. Is extremely good value. I love the initial box, but afterwards I think you can actually just get the replacement blades cheaper elsewhere. Right, hello there. I'm now going to do the Dollar Shave Club review using the Dorco razor that they provide. Now normally I'm pre-lathered. Because I normally lather with a soap and to test the razors, but as like the Harry's one, when I reviewed the Harry's, they sent a shaving foam. So within the test kit was this shave butter. So to keep it fair, I think I'll best do the review with both products. So let's wet the stubble to start with, and then we got the shave butter. So open it up. Okay, it appears you've actually got rope and open it. Appears there's a tag in here. Please say I can get this off quite quickly. Now I've got wet hands. There we go. And so let's have a look, see what it's like, shall we? So no, I appear to have only taken the foil off. not the best start. And I don't have a pen to poke it in with. Let's have a look. Take the head off the razor blade and try and poke it with the head. There we go. Managed to get it open at last. Right. Should we try that bit again, shall we? Right, so there we go. So look, the joys of live cameras or filming. It sometimes goes a little bit wrong. So look. So it's really white, very creamy. Not sure how best to describe the texture. I could think of a few ways if this was a not such family rated channel. Now I quite like the smell, the lavender. Now again, it seems to be one of these low foam, no foam formulas. I don't understand. What is it with everyone doing a low foam formula? First it was King of Shaves, now everyone. So, right, I can actually feel a bit of a tingle on here. Has it got tea tree in it or something? So it's got citric acid, it's global leaf oils. Yeah, so I can definitely feel a bit of a tingle. So let's give this a shave. So taking off a reasonable amount of hair here. Without cleaning it. Here's the head. Give it a rinse. Yeah, okay. That did clear pretty well. There you go, pretty full again. Give it a rinse. Didn't clear quite as well that time. Just keep going. Yeah, it's clearing again. Now the razor itself is doing quite a good job on the shave. I'm not a big fan of the shave butter though. I don't like the way it made my skin tingle. And it sort of feels greasy now. Yeah. It's more than likely because they say it's moisturising or something, but yeah, not happy with how my skin feels afterwards. But there we go. So Dollar Shave Club razor, yeah, Dorco razor, great razor. I like these razors. I actually think the blades are really too close together on this particular type of cartridge, and I prefer their 3-bladed cartridge, which I use quite often. The shave butter, yeah, I won't ever be buying that again. Didn't like the shave butter. So there you go. Hope that's been really helpful. See you on the next review that I do.